everyone, welcome back. I am so excited for today's video for two reasons. First being, I'm going to share with you 3 easy hairstyles that are right on trend for summer. And second, I'm going to share with you a very unique product that I was introduced to that I think you guys are really going to love. All right, don't forget to let me know which of these hairstyles is your favorite, and let's just go ahead and get started. All right, before we jump into it, today's video is sponsored by Function of Beauty. Now, I'm so excited to share this company with you because what they do is they create unique formulas for your unique hair type. I thought this was so cool because it's really difficult to find one shampoo and conditioner that meets all of your hair's needs. Personally, and I know I'm not alone, my shower is lined with half-used bottles of products. For my hair needs, I have a dandruff shampoo, a volumizing shampoo, purple shampoo and conditioner. I have a hydrating conditioner and a ton of hair masks. It's a lot, so I'm going to share with you guys how you can create your very own customized shampoo and conditioner to meet your own hair type and your hair goals. It's easy. So all you need to do is fill out a 2-minute quiz on Function of Beauty's website. So you just click your hair type and then you select your hair goals. I chose strengthen, hydrate, volumize, shine, and of course, reduce brassiness. And then you just go ahead and choose your fragrance and your color. So these are mine. I think it's pretty cool that all of your hair needs and goals fit into these bottles. And mine are in the purple and lavender color since I chose reduce brassiness, and they're in the scent all eucalyptus, 100% natural. It smells like a spa every time I wash my hair. I'm just gonna shake mine up so you guys can see, but I personalized mine with my name on the bottle. I love this detail. It just makes me feel really special. Oh, and I find that it's super helpful that these come with pumps. Also, what's really great about these products, you guys, is there are no parabens, sulfates, GMOs, or toxins. They are 100% vegan and cruelty-free, which I know is very important to a lot of you. Also, I'm just noticing how much I talk with my hands. I'm sorry. Also, since I touch my hair a lot, I have noticed how soft my hair feels. I think it looks really shiny and healthy. And I also haven't had to use any dandruff shampoo since I haven't had any irritation. I haven't had any flakes. And I also stopped using my purple shampoo so I could see the results. And I'm really happy with this tone of blonde that it's left in my hair. Okay, so enough about my hair. Leave a comment down below and let me know what your hair needs and hair goals are. And if you haven't had a chance to try Function of Beauty, make sure to use my link in the description below and you will receive 20% off your first order, and you'll have to let me know what color and scent you choose. All right, let's jump into the hair tutorial. First up is a very simple 90s inspired hairstyle. So gather all of the hair and hold it at the base of your head in your right hand, and then grab your ponytail with your left hand. Now bring your ponytail up and over one of your fingers on your right hand, and I chose my middle finger. And then while still holding your ponytail with your left hand, begin tightly twisting your finger clockwise about 2 to 3 times, and then bring that twist upwards. So this hairstyle is much easier than it sounds, so I'll show you one more time in real time so you can see how I do it. So once you have your twist, feel free to tuck your ends into your twist and then just gently spread out the right side for a more elegant appearance. And then grab some bobby pins and just hook the outside of the left side of your twist and just slide them towards the middle to secure it into place. And then place a few more on top just to hold the twist. Okay, how cute is this hairstyle? It reminds me of Rachel from Friends, and it's just such an easy and beautiful way to throw your hair up on a hot summer day. Next up is a simple bun, but I'm going to share with you how you can wrap it to make it look more intricate and unique. So start by creating a low ponytail where you would like your bun to sit, and then begin tightly braiding your ponytail. And feel free to create any braid that you like. You could do a fishtail braid or even a rope braid. Then secure the ends and begin pinching and pulling on the outside of your braid, and this step will help the hairstyle look more detailed. All right, grab your braid and fold it under itself and bring it up the right side of your ponytail, and this will create a really nice bun shape. Now hold your bun with your left hand and just begin wrapping the rest of your braid around your hair elastic and then underneath your bun. Pin your ends out of the way first and then begin bobby pinning the outside of your braid to your head. Now play around with the shape of your braid and feel free to fan it out for even more detail. I love this bun. It's so simple yet looks really intricate, and it's also a great hairstyle for wet hair. And lastly, an effortless half-up hairstyle inspired by my favorite updo. Begin by sectioning off all of your hair above your temples, and then section off the side sections on both sides and just place them out of the way for now. So with the remaining hair, just secure it into a loose bun with a small hair elastic. And then pinch and pull in the bun to give it that effortless, lived-in appearance. Now for extra volume, just pinch and pull on small sections around your crown. Now take that left side section from earlier and bring it towards the back of your head while twisting it away from your face about 2 to 3 times. Then just gently pull on the twist. This will loosen it up and create that beautiful swooped detail. Next, bring it over the top of your bun to the right side and just secure it underneath your bun with some bobby pins. And then repeat on the right side, twisting away from your face and then just gently pulling on that twist. And then cross your twist over your bun and just bobby pin your ends underneath. How beautiful is this hairstyle? I think it would be the perfect hairstyle for any summer event. I know that I will definitely be wearing it. So there we have it. What did you think? Do you have a favorite hairstyle? I really love this twisted updo. It's so easy. I think it's beautiful and it's perfect for summer. Don't forget that I'll have pictures of the final looks over on my Instagram, so be sure to go check them out. And I'll also link some similar hair tutorials down below if you're looking for some more hair inspo, and I'll link my previous 3-minute hairstyle video as well, so check it out. But thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you liked today's video, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.